Do y'all get excited when you see this sign? I do. I can't wait. Let's jump in and see what we can find. This restore's hours are Monday through Saturday, 10 to 4, and I'll list their address in the description box below. And to open that description box, click on the title of this video. You may have to click on the word more to open it further. And you're going to want to stick around. They've got unique silent auction items. They've got valuable artwork, fancy furniture, and so much more. These chairs are made by Hickory White Furniture. They're high-end pieces sold through sites like West Elm and fancy boutique furniture stores. They're $140 each. They would go for way more money retail. And if you like more vintage furniture, they've got you covered. Here's a chest for $110. And as usual, I want y'all to let me know below what are some of your favorite finds. I'm going to share mine at the end of the video. They've got this love seat for $175. And they've got this vintage chest with the mirror for a little over $100. I think it would be a great DIY. And you know what always makes my day when I run across the fur babies at these restores. The first girl is Brown and the second one is Gizmo.
Come here. Hey. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Hey. Hey, Gizmo. Oh. Thank you so much.
This chest of drawers is one of my favorites for $225. Now Wayfair did have a price drop on one similar for over $2,000, but I think this one's even prettier. And if you like that mirrored look, they've got a nightstand for $120 or one similar on Wayfair for over $300. And I like that it's got the door with the faux drawer front. I've been running across some wicker furniture lately. They've got this dresser with the mirror for $300. Here's a dining room table. It comes with 4 chairs for a little over $200. Now I know she's got some scratches, but I think a little bit of furniture wax is going to take those away. Here's some more of their wicker furniture. I think the rockers were $75 each and the table was $40. This large picture is one of my favorite fonts for $38. I love the heavy frame, the colors in it, the subject. Perfect. And y'all know me and swirly metal. This daybed made my list too, $90. And they've got tons of pillows here. This one's $4. We had seen these metal chairs in the past. Honestly, I'm surprised they still have them. You get all 6 for $240. Oh, you're really going to like these pictures. $6.50 each or one similar sold out on chairs for $52. And I just wanted to give all the employees and volunteers a big shout out. I think they do an amazing job styling all of these vignettes. Here's a vintage chest of drawers for $140. And for $12.50, I like these satin frosted dishes. It's got the hobnail design on the base. I think it would make a great centerpiece or maybe a fruit bowl. and $12.50 for this cake plate, again with the hobnail design. And y'all know me in shabby chic, $4 for this clock. And I think this plaque would match it perfectly for $2. Y'all know what section this is. If you're new to my channel, this is the antiques and unique section of this restore. We're going to jump in and see what we can find. I thought this might be a great throwback for y'all. Did you have paper dolls growing up? I loved my paper dolls. So these depict American families of the Civil War or early Republic era. Look at him with his long johns. Oh my goodness. I actually would make my own paper dolls. Oh, he kind of looks a little weird looking at her. Look at those clothes back in the day. Oh, look, she liked blue and white dishes. This just took me right back to being a kid. I had forgotten about paper dolls, so it was nice to run across these. And I really like how someone's framed this textile piece. I think it would be perfect for that cottagecore vibe. They've got it here for $40. And they've got a load of these mid-century Indiana milk glass grape patterned snack sets. You get a set of 4 for $15. And let me show you so you can see that grape pattern a little bit better here. This is a large Bassett furniture chest of drawers for $165. Solid oak, made in America. And I run across the berry pickers from time to time. This is actually a print of an after etching, and the original was painted by Jenny Brownscombe as an oil on canvas in 1890. If y'all been following my channel, you know I'm a country girl. I'm from Western North Carolina, so this certainly takes me back to my roots. My grandmother used to always take us kids with her berry picking. We would pick wild strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. It was so much fun. Here's a set of 4 dining room chairs for $75. And for $37, they've got a Princess House cake plate here in the heritage pattern. And this is a little vintage Homco figurine for $4. And did y'all know LENOX had a Lighthouse collection? This one's $15. And I looked these up online. Replacements Limited has some, and I'm going to do a price comparison coming up. And I want to come in close and show you all the detail. Can you see the flower gardens? I think I see some rams there. It's even got the water splashing on the sides. $15 for the one in the center. This one's $20, or one similar at replacements is $99. Again, I love the detail. I see the little Liberty Bell. If you know someone who collects these, I know these won't last long at this restore. And here's a smaller one for $7. And if you're looking for wedding anniversary gifts, they've got you covered. This is a 25th wedding anniversary pitcher with 6 tumblers. It's made by the West Virginia Glass Company. All these pieces for $25. If modern's more your vibe, they've got your brass floor lamp here for $40. I found this vintage Victorian style lamp. It's possibly from the 1940s. They've got it here for $7. And here's a newer one for $14. And I gotta say, I really like the shade and the fancy finial. These two hand-colored prints are amazing finds. They're by the artist Samuel Walters. The gallery value was $425. Oh no, you're not going to pay that here. They're $95 each. And I want to do a price comparison. So $95 here, or over $1,200 sold for the very same thing online. The original painting was done in the mid-1800s, again by Samuel Walters. These prints actually have a certificate of authenticity, and we're going to see that coming up. Love, love, love the frame. And then here's the second one, outward bound, $95. And here's the certificate of authenticity. It says, after careful examination, it is our opinion this work of art has been colored by hand by Esquire Galleries. You never know what you're going to find at these restores. Here's a marble top table with a metal frame for $52. And I actually like the way they paired it with that blue leather chair. And y'all know me in this chain, we can't go back there. These are items they're waiting to price or waiting to put out. But oh, look at this nail head trim. So you could get this upholstered queen size bed for $110. Headboard, footboard, and the rails. And here's a baker's rack for $100. And y'all know I love anything heavily carved. They've got this queen size 4-poster bed here for $40. And I think this would make a perfect office chair for $22. And I run across crafting supplies from time to time. They've got tons of yarn here. These are $3 a bag. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that with the purple. Oh, I like that pink. No, these are brand new, $6. Bora Bora. And this one's $1. I found this book, How to Speak Southern. Well, we got to take a look at this. Ain't the sister of your mother or father. Son, go over and give Ain't Be a big hug. Airish, drafty, cool. Don't leave that door open. It's too airish already. Errors, mistakes. That shortstop's made 2 errors and the game's not half over yet. Argy, to dispute a contentious matter. I told you to take your bath, boy, and I'm not gonna sorry. Okay. Argy, to dispute in a contentious manner. I told you to take your bath, boy, and I'm not gonna stand here and argue with you about it. Arn, an electrical instrument used to remove wrinkles from clothing. Yeah, that's pretty Southern. I hope y'all are enjoying coming with me. Please just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, spread the word so our channel can keep growing. Here's some more great deals on their pillows, $3 each. And I found this mug for $1. It says, "You're freaking me out." My cat does that from time to time. Here's a corner desk with a tempered glass top for $75, or the very same thing sold out at Walmart for $3.59. And they've got a great selection on the recliners. This one's $130. If you've got a hype button, if you would press it for me, it certainly helps my channel get discovered on YouTube. I always find good deals on baskets here. This one's $3.50. I think some of these would make great Easter baskets. Let's see. $1 for the small one and $2.50 for the larger one. Oh, I like this one. $6.50. And I think this is a cute ceramic dish for $4.50. So are y'all making your list of your favorites? I want you to let me know in the comment section below. Here's a leather recliner for $200. And this coffee table was already sold, but all the more reason we gotta shop these restores several days a week. And lot number 4 is part of their silent auction at this restore. It's a set of 3 leopard face train bags. And they actually let me get it down to take a look. You know we gotta look inside. Someone had already bid $75 on these. So I want y'all to let me know below what were some of your favorite finds. I'm gonna share some of mine. You know I love these fancy hickory white chairs. And I really liked the thick, chunky frame and colors in this picture for $38. And for $6.50, these matte blue pictures made my list as well. And the paper dolls always get my heartstrings going. They're such a great throwback for me. But I think my most favorite piece of furniture this date was the mirrored chest of drawers. And of course, I couldn't leave out our cute little fur babies, Brown and Gizmo. Thank y'all so much for coming with me. And until next time, come go with me today. Bye.